In this video, we're going to show you how to load and unload your 3D printer filament for the Asterid 2000 series 3D printer. Start by loading printer face and clicking the connect button. Once connected, set the extruder temp to 255 and hit set. Wait till the extruder is up to temp and set the amount of extrusion to 100 and hit the reverse button. As it's reversing out, slightly pull up on the filament. Near the end of the filament, there will be a small little glob of extra plastic. Make sure you get all the filament pulled back out. With the filament unloaded, now it's time to load the new filament. Cut the edge of the new filament flat. Remove the wing nut on the front of the extruder assembly and swing open the arm that presses against the filament. Guide the filament into the extruder and push it all the way through the hot end. With the filament now in the hot end, reassemble the extruder. Turn the extruder wing nut approximately 1/4 of the way into the 440 screw. With the filament now loaded, let's press extrude in printer face and make sure it extrudes. You've now successfully loaded your 3D printer filament.